The 5-A-Day Parenting Program was developed by researchers at the Merrill Palmer Skillman Institute at Wayne State University through funding from the Community Telecommunications Network. We took a good hard look at the available research about what helps young children do well when they begin school. We found it is not just about knowing numbers and letters, but also about children's social and emotional development. Fortunately, there are things parents can do to help their young children develop strong school readiness skills. We know most parents are busy, so we came up with 5 small things that research suggests are important. These include parents reading at least 1 book a day to their child, eating at least 1 meal a day with their child, playing with their child for at least 10 minutes a day, showing affection daily, and ensuring their child gets enough sleep by following a bedtime routine. We developed a website to teach parents about these 5 activities. The website includes brief videos to teach content. We received input from researchers, pediatricians, and childcare teachers to ensure the program is helpful. We also wanted to make sure online parent education was feasible for low-income parents, as their children are more at risk for facing school readiness challenges. We found that online parenting education is promising for low-income parents. Nearly 89% of parents surveyed have regular internet access, and nearly 87% are open to learning about school readiness online. Next, we informed a group of parents about the 5-A-Day Parenting Program and had them select goals for which activity they would like to do more often. Most parents said they would like to focus on reading to their child more regularly. We also found that about 85% like the concept of using the 5 activities every day to promote their child's school readiness. And 60% report visiting the website 2 weeks after learning about it. So that's the 5-A-Day Parenting Program. We believe it's a promising start. Using the internet for parent education shows strong potential for reaching a diverse group of parents.